the process of making my yummy stew. Wash, blend, and cook down. The blended tomatoes and onions has reduced. The water content has reduced. Now I'm going to cook my preferred proteins. I'm using turkey and fish. Now add your seasoning. Add any spices of your choice. Going in with salt. Now minced garlic and some curry powder. Now stir, stir, stir and allow it to cook. Turkey doesn't take time to cook, so I'm gonna cover it. Now let's check on it. I'm gonna remove the fish because I don't want it to overcook, to retain the moisture after frying, because I'm gonna fry it. Once I'm done frying, I'll start frying the stew. Add onions and allow to fry. Now I'm going to add my tomato puree. Thank you for correcting me. Thank you for sunshine, I thank you for rain, thank you for joy, and thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day, yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a beautiful day, yeah, yeah. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, I thank you for rain, thank you for joy. Thank you for add any spices of your choice. I like to keep it simple because I'm gonna add my fresh curry leaves and spinach. This is actually spinach sauce. Now let's add fresh curry leaves. Stir, 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 stir. Next thing to add is my turkey. Add more water if needed. Now stir and taste for salt. That's good. Brilliant. Now add the fried fish. Now let's check on our stew. Time to add the spinach. I'm using frozen spinach. You can use fresh one. Now stir, stir, stir and allow to simmer for 2 minutes and it's ready. You guys, this spinach sauce. I love spinach. If you love spinach like me, oh wow, congratulations. I love it. You guys, Our sauce is ready. It's saucing. It's saucing. Look at that. It's saucing. If you don't have self-control, please don't make this type of sauce. Otherwise, you will eat and eat and eat. If you don't have self-control, this sauce, turkey and fish, spinach sauce. I beg, don't go there. Time to dish out. You are Yahweh. You are Yahweh. You guys. You are Yahweh. You are Yahweh. Emmanuel, your food.
Yeah, thank you.
This is for favor, the principessa of my house.